I have torn my right meniscus, torn meniscus in my left knee, rotator cuff in my left shoulder, and the big one, spinal stenosis between L4, L5 lower lumbar. When my back was taken away from me, then I could barely run. The leg just stopped working. The physical therapist bought into what I was trying to do, run. He knew what was going on. He tweaked my running style. It's allowing me to resume normal life activities. I want to be accepted as normal. I don't want to display the one thing I can't do, and that's see. And sitting still just wasn't it for me. Now I have spring in my step. I feel much better because of who and what I am and the physical therapists.